SpreadStone concrete applications, indoors or out, need to start with a clean floor or wall, followed by a coat of SpreadStone primer, which we've already applied here. If an attractive, seamless SpreadStone floor finish was our preference, we could now proceed directly to application of the decorative stone coatings. In this video, however, we're going to renew a garage floor in just a few simple steps and include an easy tile effect. The SpreadStone kit comes with a roll of 1/4-inch grout lined stencil tape. Just lay it down over top of the dry primer before top coating with SpreadStone. It's a fast, easy process that looks authentic when done and will add a lot of style to your garage or basement floor. The first stage of the decorative stone coating process is rolling on a uniform layer of base coat. It dries in as little as 30 minutes to create a solid stone surface and the first color in your SpreadStone finish. Now for the fun part, rolling on the first of 2 stone accent coats. This step is simple, and as creative as this may look, it's the roller that's doing all the work. Just roll randomly in different directions until the stone matrix covers the floor, like this. The stone accent normally dries in about 15 minutes, so before you know it, you're ready to roll on the next coat. Load the roller moderately when applying stone accent to maintain full control, and you're ready to go. The second coat of accent goes on the same as the first, so by now, you're pretty well an expert. After dipping into the tray, always start rolling with lighter pressure to avoid blobbing on the material in any one place. Then, when most of the coating is off the roller, you can press more firmly to lock the product securely onto the floor. Always roll in random directions to avoid linear patterns and maintain a natural stone appearance. Otherwise, there's really nothing to it, and in no time at all, you'll be creating beautiful functional surfaces you can be proud of. The final step in your SpreadStone concrete project is application of the SpreadStone Clear Sealer. It completes the strength of your new high-performance SpreadStone surface and also richens the color for the most attractive final result. It's used for applications on garage and basement floors, as well as all exterior applications. For ultimate heavy-duty garage and interior floor applications, another option is rolling on a coat of our industrial-strength Die-Hard 100 clear epoxy, which is what we are applying here for a super tough showroom finish. And there is your new SpreadStone garage floor.